Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. The content in this video is based on the artistic style of another artist and is intended to provide a tutorial on how to recreate their style. The original artwork and style belongs to the respective artist and are not claimed as our own. This video is meant to inspire and educate viewers on different artistic techniques. All credit and rights for the original artwork and style belong to the original artist. Welcome ladies, gentlemen and everything in between. I'm Lizandre and this is my art tutorial on doing Vivziepop styled eyes. Vivziepop's unique art style has captivated many with its distinctive portrayal of eyes, and in this tutorial we will delve into the fundamentals of drawing realistic eyes before exploring Vivziepop's signature eye techniques. So whether you're a fan of Vivziepop's art style or simply looking to enhance your eye drawing skills, this tutorial will provide valuable insights and practical tips for mastering the art of Vivziepop inspired eyes. Understanding the basics before we jump into replicating Vivziepop's eye style, it's crucial to grasp the fundamental principles of drawing realistic eyes. When it comes to drawing realistic or semi-realistic eyes, we typically start with the almond shape formed by the upper and lower lids, a spherical pupil and subtle indications of the eyelid and eyebrow. When drawing a Vivziepop styled eye, the upper lid is much more exaggerated than the lower lid, creating a distinct arc that makes up 80% of the eye. This type of eye is mostly seen on male and masculine characters. The pupil is usually elongated and oval shaped, with its size varying based on the character's gender and personality. Pay close attention to the eyelashes, as they add a striking and feminine touch to the eye. Start by drawing the outline of the upper and lower eyelids. Make the upper eyelid thicker and the lower eyelid thinner. Add a sharp lower lash where the two lids meet. Make sharp gaps in the upper eyelash to create a feather-like texture in the eyelashes. If you make a mistake, don't be afraid to redo it. The first time I did this, I made a mistake. Adjust the directions and placement of the lashes until you're satisfied with the result. Pay attention to the direction of the lashes. They should fan out from the outer corner of the eye and gradually curve towards the center. Drawing the eyes in profile requires attention to the unique shape of the eye, the positioning of the iris and pupil, and the intricate details of the eyelashes and eyelid folds. Vivziepop's approach to the eye profiles shares similar fundamentals, allowing a seamless transition from style to style. First, start by drawing a line that looks like the third of a circle. This will be the basic shape of the eye. Next, we add two slightly curved lines that resemble a guitar pick or a Dorito shape. Then sketch the eyelashes. Next, add the iris with the pupil positioned off-center to give it depth. For the Vivziepop eye, start by drawing the exact same Dorito shape. Next, add a thick upper lash and a thin lower lash with a sharp lash where the two lids meet. Then sketch in the segments in the upper lash, following the direction of the sharp lower lash, and add the pupil. Hey everyone, I just wanted to give a big shout out to my mom's online yoga store. She sells amazing second-hand clothing and jewelry, exclusively available in South Africa. If you don't live in SA but know someone who does, be sure to share the link provided below with them. If you're looking for unique and stylish pieces to add to your wardrobe, be sure to check out my mom's store. You won't be disappointed. If we find buyers, I can hopefully afford to remove the Animatica watermark from my future videos and upgrade the quality above 720p. Thank you for supporting small businesses. Now back to the video. By studying Vivziepop's various eye designs and understanding the manipulation of the upper and lower lids, we can gain insight into how different eye shapes convey specific character traits. Vivziepop's characters showcase a diverse range of eye shapes. A sharper eye with a squashed upper lid may belong to a mature and feminine character, while a rounder eye with a large pupil could represent a perky and energetic character. And now it's time for my favorite part, customization. Take what you've learned and make your own unique spin on things. Draw your own version of an eye using Vivziepop's techniques, mixed with other techniques. With these insights and practical tips, you're well on your way to mastering the art of Vivziepop inspired eyes. So grab your sketchbook or software and start practicing. If you liked this video and want to learn more, be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for joining us today. We'll see you in the next tutorial or video.